Hi friends, welcome to Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. Let us gain knowledge on testing concepts. Please subscribe to the channel. Friends, today let us gain knowledge on levels of software testing. In testing phase, we have 4 levels. Friends, first of all, let us understand why there are levels in software testing. What is the need of levels in testing phase? Testing levels are the procedures for finding the missing areas. They avoid overlapping and repetition between the development life cycle stages. Friends, we know testing is mostly a validation. That means once the actual build or the software available to the tester, they execute that or implement or follow that the application and find the issues. They verify whether all the requirements are implemented or not. We know that in SDLC, we keep aside of waterfall model and consider V model or agile model or iterative model. The software, all the requirements are not implemented in a single stage. The big bang development will not happen in the software development. In architectural design, they divide the entire software into modules. So, generally, any software can have 10 modules. So, developers team develop module 1 and then go to the module 2. These levels of software testing make the testing team work parallelly with the development team and synchronize with them. When a developers team release one module 1, we test that module. This is called unit testing. When they release module 2, we test module 2 and integrate with the module 1 and do integration testing. This process continues until all modules are released by the developers team. Once they release all the modules, we integrate and do system testing and then finally acceptance testing. The main motive of levels in software testing is to make test team work parallel with the development team and synchronize with them. There are mainly 4 levels, that are unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and friends, please click on subscribe button to support our channel Abhey, and also please click on like button and share this video to your friends who are eager to gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, I heartfully thank you for your valuable support to our Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. I hope it will continue forever.